Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first ever video. I really hope you enjoy it. So in this video I'm going to show you how I got from having blue hair to blonde hair within the space of 5 hours. I did this all in one evening. I was sick of my blue hair, I did not want it anymore, so I got rid of it and went back to blonde. The results that you may get from this, if you follow what I have done in this video, will be different. Every person's hair is different, and it depends on the dye that you used at the start, which blue you've used on your hair, the condition of your hair, and how easily it takes colour, that sort of thing. So the results that I have got may not be the same for you, or they may be better, or they may be the same, but I'm not guaranteeing to anyone out there that you will get the results that I have got. I just want to show you what I did. So the first thing I did, which I will show you now, was put a vitamin C and anti-dandruff shampoo on my hair. Okay, so I've ground up the tablets into some kind of decent powder. Now I'm going to put the anti-dandruff shampoo in it. I just put a massive squirt in. Let's see how this mixes in. I mean, it's mixing okay. I'm just going to keep kind of mixing it until I think I have enough to be able to put all over my hair. Kind of not too runny. I think it'll go on quite well. I mean, well, it's kind of starting to go a bit fuzzy. This looks cool. Science. Literally every person I've seen do this has been like, it looks like science. I mean, I'll put a little bit more in. I just want to make sure the ratios are okay. I don't know how much you were supposed to use, but this looks like a good enough mixture. Like, I think it'll stay on my hair quite well. Okay, so I've run some water through my hair just to make it a bit damp. I think that makes it easier to put the stuff on. I'm going to section it out as best as I can. I might just kind of start from the bottom and work my way up. Let's give it a go, shall we? So if it doesn't work, then like the first time round, then I can always do it a second time. So I'm just going to put it up like this so it can do what it needs to do. I'm going to put some cling film on it just to let it sit, and then we'll see what happens. So I actually did 2 applications of the vitamin C and anti-dandruff shampoo mixture on my hair. Each time I washed out that mixture, I used anti-dandruff shampoo as well. The anti-dandruff shampoo that I used was just the Tesco anti-dandruff shampoo. It worked fine for me. I don't think you need to pay for the Head and Shoulders one. They probably do the same thing. You might get better results, but this worked perfectly fine for me. So after I did those 2 mixtures on my hair, I left them both on for an hour each, and then I washed it all out, dried my hair just to see what kind of colour it came out. After the 2 vitamin C treatments, it is quite nice. So as you can see in the clip, my hair was a really light blue. It was a bit patchy in some places, but overall I was really happy with the result. If I still had some of that mixture left over, I probably would have used it for a third time, but unfortunately I used it all in the first two, so I couldn't do it. So I decided after that to get the rest of the blue out, I would use a bleach bath. So before I did the bleach bath, I put coconut oil all over my hair and left that on for an hour just to soak in, get some moisture back into my hair because I didn't condition it at all during this process. And then I used a bleach bath. So what a bleach bath is a mixture of your normal bleach and then some shampoo. So I already had the Jerome High Lift powder and some 40 Vol. So I used one sachet of this and then I had half a bottle of this left, so I used that half bottle. You're not really meant to use 40 Vol in a bleach bath because it is more damaging, but it was all I had and I just wanted the blue out of my hair, so I ended up using it. And then I mixed it with this Elvive anti-dandruff shampoo. I had used this in a bleach bath before and it worked really well, so I thought why not use it again. So I put the bleach bath on my hair, I wrapped it in foil while I was doing it just to keep the heat into my hair, and then I left that on for about half an hour. I kept checking it all the way through every 5 minutes just to make sure, one, it was lifting, and two, my hair wasn't getting too damaged. So I kept checking it, kind of touching up bits that I had noticed that I had missed, and then rinsed it off after half an hour. When I rinsed it off, I washed my hair with the VOKE Touch of Silver shampoo. I already had this as well. I think this helped with toning. I probably didn't need it that much because my hair was quite silver after I'd done the bleach bath, probably because of the blue that I'd used previously, but I thought why not use that just to, if there is any yellow, kind of nip it in the bud. And then I used the Pantene Pro V 3-Minute Miracle treatment on my hair just to put some life back into it, and I think I'm probably going to use this every day this week just to get my hair back into a decent condition. I mean, like I said, it's not too bad. It's been worse when I've used like colour before and hair strippers and actual just straight on bleach. You know, you get that like elasticy, gummy kind of texture to your hair. I didn't have that at all with this, which kind of showed me that it wasn't as bad condition as I thought it was going to be. So I'm really happy with the way that my hair turned out. There are a couple of little blue bits, but that's just because I missed a couple of places, and when I get my roots done I'll just get those touched up as well. So I'm going to leave my hair blonde for a while. I'll see how long I can cope with it being blonde. I may change it soon, and I think I'm going to go pastel pink. So if anyone would like to see that tutorial on how to dye your hair pastel pink, I've done it a lot of times before. I kind of have a little routine of how to do it and maintain it, so if you're interested, please let me know in the comments. This is my first YouTube video, so please let me know if you enjoyed it, if you got some use out of it. Let me know if the things that I did worked for you to get your blue hair dye out. It would be great if it kind of helped some other people as well. So just let me know and I will continue to make videos and hope that people watch them. But thank you anyway, and I will see you next time. Bye! And my cat is trying to eat the tripod.